Daddy.
And
Kittens!
Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Oh. Hi! Today we'll make stamps. To make stamps we need paints. We need marker. We need paintbrush with water. We need nail. We need potatoes. And we need white paper. Are you ready? Go! What is it?
Cross.
Yes, it's cross. What is it?
Crescent.
It's crescent, yes. What is it?
Hat.
Yes, it's heart. What is it?
Star.
Yes, it's star. What is it?
Smiley face.
Yes, it's smiley face. Can you run?
Yes, I can.
Can you climb?
Yes, I can.
Can you pull?
Yes, I can.
Can you push?
Yes, I can.
Can you bounce?
Yes, I can.
Can you kick?
Yes, I can.
Can you catch?
No, I can't.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Can you roll?
Yes, I can.
Can you throw?
Yes, I can.
Can you crawl?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride?
Yes, I can. Sponsored by IQ English.